Hello everyone, today is going to be a quick video on how to complete your assignments on Google Classroom. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is get into your Google Classroom. So to do that, just go onto the Google webpage, right? Make sure you are signed into your account. Click on the Google Apps right here next to your picture, and then go to Google Classroom, and it will say Classroom right here. Click on that. It will take you to Google Classroom, and this is our classroom. So Mr. Moore's basic computer class. Click on that as well. At the top of the web browser, click on Classwork. And then for this example, we are going to do task 1, okay, for week 10 for this week. So to complete a task, click on that one, right? Click on the one you want to complete. Click on view assignment. For those of you who are on your phone or a tablet, you can just click on the assignment right here. For everybody else who is using a computer, click on view assignment. It will take you to this page of the assignment, right? And go to where you see your work. Okay, under that you will see your name, and it will be the assignment. So click on that, okay, and it'll say Google Slides. So click on the assignment, and it will open a new tab. What do I mean by that? Is if you go to the top up here, you see this is a tab right here for this web browser. If I click on the tab before to the left, that is the tab that you came from, okay? So later on, this will be important for those of you who are on the computer. So click on the assignment tab, okay? And what you need to do next is every blue box or that you see, you need to double click to put an answer. Okay, so for example, let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see. You make it even bigger. So as you can see, for the first page, I wanted you to click the boxes here, and then put the number, right? So you can double click. So let me show you again. Double click the blue box, and you will see the little blinking cursor. That means you can type in your answer, right? So I'm just gonna do example, right? 8. Okay. If I go to page 2, you see all the blue boxes here. That means I want you to put your answer there. Okay. So let's do the first one. I see this blue box. You need to double click. So double click the box to see the little blinking cursor. Once you see the blinking cursor, you can start typing, right? You can start typing in your answer in the box. To go to the next box, just double click the next box, and then you can start typing again. Okay, so that is how you enter your answers. Okay, double click on the blue box. When you are complete and you have finished your assignment, for those people who are using your phone or an iPad or a tablet, when you are finished with your assignment, you need to click on the share button up here. Okay, so let me show that first. So click on share assignment, and then you are going to type in my email, okay? And it's this one right here, ykmoore.vesl@gmail.com. Okay, so share it with me. You can change here to viewer, okay? And then send it to me, okay, once you have finished. Okay, and then you're done with this assignment. Let me show you for the people who have a computer. You can share as well if you want. But you can also, once you have finished your assignment, you can close the tab up here, and then you can go to the blue button right here that says turn in, and click that to turn in your answer. Okay, so once you click it, it's gonna say, okay, turn in your work. You are going to click turn in, okay, and then so that I will get it. So I'm just gonna click out of that, and to go back to the Google Classroom to do task 2, once you have finished, you can go back to Mr. Moore's basic computer class, go back to classwork, minimize that task 1, and then go to task 2, click on task 2, and then view assignment, or click on the assignment. Okay, so that is how you complete assignments in Google Classroom. There's one more thing that I want to show you before I end the video. So for example, I'm gonna go back to task 1, and I'm gonna click on view assignment, and then I'm gonna click into the assignment to open it, right? And let me go to the second page. Let me make this bigger, 200%. So if you see the blue box, right? Let's say, for example, you accidentally delete the box, okay? So I'm going to delete the box, the blue box. And now you cannot type, right? You cannot double click the box to enter your answer. What you can do is, if you go up here to the tools, the toolbar, you'll see this little button that has a box with the T in the middle. Okay, that is the text box. Okay, so if you accidentally delete the blue box, go to the toolbar, click on the text box, and then you'll see that your mouse cursor has changed into a plus sign, right? Now you can draw, click, and then drag to draw your text box, okay, and then let go. And now you have another text box. It doesn't have to be blue, but now that you see the little blinking cursor, you can start typing again. Okay, so that is if you accidentally delete the blue text box that I put there. Okay, you can put your own text box back onto the page to complete the assignment. Okay.